Innovation in the field of battery technology is moving faster than 5G. Students and technicians learn about BMS in theories, but do they actually know how it really works? So I am Abhishek from SkyScale Lab, and let me take you to our lab. Sir, can you tell me what this system is all about?
It is all about the BMS and the CAN. All of you know the cell has been monitored by a BMS, and the BMS and the cell has been getting communicated in each other. So how it is communicated? Through CAN protocol system. So many of the students and faculties have got an inquiry like how this real world CAN communication works and how generally the high frequency and low frequency of a CAN communication acts. So let's see, we have developed one of a kind instrument where the students will be learning about the cell's performances, the cell behavior, and how it has been monitored by the BMS and how the BMS is fetching the data through the hash codes. So here you can see I have cells already, it has been on the testing phase and we are ready to ship it to a college. It is a final assembly position. So here you can see number of cells, that is certain number of cells we have attached here. And here it is the BMS which has been in-housely developed in the SkyScale labs only. So here particularly BMS which is also a CAN enabled, where the CAN communication between your hardwares and the softwares has been done also with the cells. Then another box we have where we have a load system, means here the load is been like if you want to discharge, the load will be getting discharged. If you want to charge it, it will be charging the cells. Now coming to the software here, here you can see I have also generated, let me clear it out for you. Then here I am starting it again. So here you can see the hash code has been generated, hash frames are getting generated, number of frames that is getting generated per second, that is being monitored. Then total the pack voltage, the cell performance like 30 number of cells I have said you. So all the cells voltage and how it is getting balanced, like passively or actively balancing, everything will be visualized to you. So these head frames will be helping you to understand about the real world voltage, about the cells voltage, cell performances and cells temperature. Everything will be monitored with the help of this system, and students will be learning about the communications between the battery packs and also with the BMS. So here if you want to discharge, here I have discharge inductive loads. Here in the load box I have two inductive loads. So here you can see already the current, that means the current that is already getting discharged. It is showing us the voltage now present. Here it is showing in the computer system the same thing it will be getting. Okay, and during charging process, when I will be attaching my charger here, it will be showing us the charging process. Then also the battery error codes, like if battery is overcharged, undercharged, or over temperature or under temperature, also these error codes will be receiving through this system. So it is a real world working experience for the students, those who want to boom their career in the field of electric vehicles, especially in the field of batteries and BMS. Till then, me Jyoti Ranjan Singh signing off.